guys, it's Allanna here. Today I am venturing into the world of DIY clothing. Now, well, I guess a better term for it would be upcycled clothing because I'm not creating an entirely new piece of clothing, but I basically got a pair of jeans, some fabric paint, and one giant sheet to kind of like cover my entire floor in my room here because the goal is going to be to get this fabric paint on nothing else but that pair of jeans. That's the goal because permanent sounds like a whole lot of commitment, but you know what? A whole lot of commitment is what is about to happen in this video. But basically, I've got this pair of jeans and I've had a design in mind that I've really loved and I've really been wanting to paint on this pair of jeans that I have. And I was very much so inspired by the world of DIY and upcycled clothing, and I've noticed it's really become a trend where so many people are taking an existing piece of clothing and cutting it, sewing it, and turning it into something entirely new, and honestly something way cuter than the original product, which is the goal. You want it to be cuter than the original piece. That's kind of the reason why people are taking these pieces of clothing and doing these things to it. But even more so just to kind of show even more individuality and your unique style and expressing it on an existing piece of clothing. So like I said, I am going to be painting this design on these jeans because I wanted to do exactly that. Like, I want to have a unique piece, and if you think about it, I would be the only one to have this pair of jeans. But yeah, other than that, let's just go ahead and get started with the video. I wasn't kidding when I said I had a giant sheet to throw on my floor. Alright, so I thought of course I would do a little before here of the jeans that I've got. So yeah, these are the pair of jeans that I picked up specifically just to do these two. Honestly, these are some really fitted like skinny jeans, but they are really good quality. I liked that they were a light wash because for the design that I'm doing, yeah, I know I still haven't shown y'all what design I'm gonna do, but the light wash works really well, and they honestly just fit me so good. Like, they are like pretty snug, like I could probably stretch them out just a little bit, but these are what I have to work with. Alright, now that I changed back out of these pants to show you guys them, so I did already wash these pants just to be safe because I feel like it would be better to be applying paint to like a clean surface. So I've got my jeans. Then I also picked up this fabric marker from like Joann Fabrics. One of my friends is very talented in the world of fashion, makes a lot of her own clothes. So she recommended I use a fabric marker rather than trying to like do paint itself with like a paintbrush. So I picked up this one. So I have the design kind of sketched out and I have a picture of it on my phone that I'm going to kind of be following, but it's basically kind of like an abstract outline of like faces, but like it's a combination of abstract lines but also kind of like faces, and I just thought it was really cool, really unique, looked a little bit edgy, and I thought these jeans were perfect for it. So my friend also recommended that I kind of like chalk out the design on my jeans first. And I've seen her use chalk before, like on her clothing pieces to kind of like mark places, and it's definitely different chalk than what I have. I know this is like literal chalk for a chalkboard, but I figured it's better than nothing because I don't want to just straight up put the paint to my jeans. I've got just like a plastic bag to kind of stick in the jeans just in case it bleeds through the fabric. I don't want it to bleed through to the other side. So I'm gonna kind of like do that and see like if it bleeds through, if it doesn't. And then the last thing, I got some coffee. The important part. Allanna 20 for 20% off your purchase. Really pretty tumblers, link in my description. Perfect, I just realized my battery is like literally blinking red at me, so we're probably gonna have to like switch batteries. Good thing I've got another one. Yeah, I put on the sketch here on my phone, but yeah, so let's go ahead. The instructions on this fabric marker literally just says, apply color to fabric, let dry 24 hours, machine washable. Oh, there's literally no other instructions. Alright, I guess we're just gonna go for it. Actually, I lied, no we're not. we're gonna chalk out the design first. We're gonna see if this chalk actually kind of like applies to the fabric. Okay, so I know I don't want the design to go along this top like band of the pants. So I'm going to kind of like start it below that. Let's see, I guess I should, yeah, okay, we're gonna zip up the zipper so I can see where the fabric would align. All right, we got this. We can do this, guys. You know what? The hair's gotta go up too. It's going up. All right, that's better, more realistic, and here we go. Let's see, does this chalk even like apply? Oh, it does. Okay, I like that. And then it makes it like kind of able to wash off. All right. Okay, I decided I think I'm gonna try just taking a pencil to this, because since these jeans are so light wash, I can't even really like see the chalk lines on it, so I'm just gonna use a pencil. Okay, even this pencil is like really hard to see. Alright, I decided to switch to pen for sketching this out because the pencil I literally like could not even see at all on this, and I was having difficulties like seeing where I marked everything. So yeah, I'm just kind of like sketching out the design here. You can see like kind of what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a very wild design, that is for sure. Okay, I am honestly like really excited. This is turning out so good. Okay guys, so I finished the design in pen, but I'm not gonna show you the finished design yet because y'all will see that after I finish putting the actual paint on it. Alright, we're getting serious. Okay, do I need to like shake this or anything? It doesn't even say to shake. It's so weird. I don't know. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, I didn't know what to expect, so I was like, I'm gonna open it away from my clothes. Okay, so the harder I push, yeah, the more ink comes out, which makes sense. Alright, okay, here we go, guys. The first line. Okay, actually, I almost forgot. I'm gonna put this inside the pant leg, just in case it bleeds. Okay, we're about to make the first draw on here. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I already love how these look. Okay, let's see. I kind of like want to go with the thin edge of it. I don't know, I'm not too sure. Okay, that's cool. It doesn't bleed like I thought it was going to, because I was like not sure if it was going to bleed. Oh, this is basically like a fat like Sharpie. Like it's a jumbo Sharpie is literally what this is. Alright, here's what I've got like so far on the, I think, okay, yeah, this is gonna be the left leg of the pant. I was thinking about it and it's on my right, but it's like the left leg once I actually put these on. But yeah, I am really loving this so far, and I decided to kind of do like a mix of like the thin and thick lines, and I think I'm gonna kind of like clean up this like part of the eye here just a little bit. But other than that, I'm loving how it turns, or how it's turning out. Okay, so I took this out just to see if the marker even was bleeding through. The only part that somewhat, like the tiniest bit bled through was this one part that I kept going over like literally a million times, so I can see why it slightly bled through there. But other than that, I like looked on the inside of the pants and I'm just shocked that it's not even bleeding through. So as long as you're not going over the same line like a million times like I did, you should be fine. Alright, it is day 2. I did not think this whole process was gonna take more than just the 2 days. It's been 24 hours, well, close enough to 24 hours, but I've got some time to kind of like film this part and some time to work on the back. I pretty much decided that for the back, I am just going to do kind of like a smaller version of the design on the pockets. I am not going to include the eye part of the design on the pockets because even though some eyes on the butt would be very much so a statement, I don't think that's a statement I'm wanting to commit to right now. So yeah, I mean, if that's you, go for it, but for me, yeah, not right now. So I think I'm just going to kind of like do the abstract designs abstract lines is what I meant to say, on the pockets on the back, and I pretty much just like gave up on putting the like plastic on the inside of the jeans because I realized that the marker was not bleeding through anyway because this denim is super thick. So we're just gonna get to it with the design on the pockets. Okay, yes, I am so glad I decided not to put the eye portion of the design on the pockets because I'm actually pretty happy with like how this design looks on the pockets, and I was just thinking how it would, I don't know, just to me, it would look very interesting with the eyes on it. But I got one pocket done, I'm going to do the other, and then I'm also going to color like the belt loops on the back of these as well to match the front ones. The belt loops are going to be entirely black. Guys, they are finally ready. I am so excited. It's been 24 hours, well, for the backside. It's been more than 24 hours. This is day 3 of me filming this video because I had to wait 24 hours for the front to dry, 24 hours for the back to dry, and then now it is officially dry, and I'm literally so excited for these to see what they look like, to put them on, to wear them. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them on, show you guys the finished jeans because y'all have already been waiting long enough. Like, I've been waiting long enough too, so I'll just go put these on. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I just looked at them in the mirror. Okay, here is the final reveal for these pants. I am just honestly so shocked and so 100% happy with how these turned out. Like, these honestly look like a pair of like those jeans you would see, like those really like hype brands, like that you would see those brands come out with and then charge like hundreds of dollars for. But I literally did these myself. It was super easy, and I really wanted to try it on like with this top and then kind of do a little outfit to go with it, but I absolutely love it. So here is kind of like how the front turned out. Yeah, oh my gosh, I just love it, and I'm glad that none of the designs kind of like ended up in a weird like awkward spot. So that worked out really good. And then here's like the back part. As you can see, I did kind of like do the design on the pockets as well, and then also on the belt loops, just because I thought it'd be like a nice little like extra detailed touch to it. But oh my god, I'm so excited to wear these. It's honestly kind of hot for me to wear these out right now, but hey, like fashion requires a little bit of pain sometimes, but oh guys, like I'm so obsessed. I'm sorry, but like I don't know, it just makes me like even more excited and happy about these, considering like I literally painted these myself. So if you've ever thought of like painting a piece of clothing, go for it. It's so easy. Sketch out the design first and then just go for it, and it's just a little bit of patience and you can have literally yourself like a one-of-a-kind piece. Like, I would literally be the only person that has this exact pair of jeans right here. So if you are creative, like painting, like fashion, definitely give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of these jeans or a design that you would like to paint on a piece of clothing. I would absolutely love to know. And if you guys do decide to paint your own piece of clothing and get like experimental with it, definitely tag me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar, and of course follow me on there if you want to see how I'm going to be styling these jeans. But subscribe if you'd like to, and turn on my post notifications for more fashion content in your notifications. But I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.